sir.
Because what will now it has started. Fine. So now we can do it. Okay. Yes. Can I have the question, please? Somebody was asking question. Can I have it? What the hell is this here? How to close it? Somebody was asking question. Can I have her? Fine, let it be. Yes. Anybody else? Mathos. So you were asking internal and external. Matthews, internal and external are just two different ways to represent something. One same thing is being represented by two ways. For example, let me give you a real life example for understanding this. Okay, you see, uh, let us say that if you want, let us say that if I want to say that unfortunately you have got failed in the exam. Okay, let's say that if I want to say that unfortunately you have got failed in the exam. So what are the two different ways to say? One way is that I say it directly that you have got failed in the exam. One way what I can say, one another way is I can say it like this. For example, I can say that you have got less than 12 marks. Yes or no? So by saying both the statements, I am just giving you one declaration itself that you have got failed. Okay, but what is the difference? Two different ways to say the things. Okay, so that is what I was explaining with this internal and external comparisons, that there are two different ways. If I'm writing a power n b power n directly, then I can say that yes, there is a comparison. Okay, and if I'm writing it externally, so what I can write, m is equal to n. So that's how we are saying that yes, there is a comparison. That's the only thing. Okay, so that's how a power n b power n is internal, while a power n b power m n is equal to m is external. These are two different ways to say that yes, there is a comparison. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Sir,
Anybody else have any more questions?
sir,
Yes.
that means n is equal to m means that there are two different letters. So to say external, it should be different letters.
It's of course yes. They should be different letters, and then they should be getting compared
Okay,
post the language syntax.
okay, sir. Thank you. Clear.
Anybody else? Fine. So let me tell you that now what we will do. First, I'm giving you 5 minutes. 5 minutes from this lecture. Okay, 5 minutes from this lecture right now. I want you people to take these 5 minutes and learn everything what I said you just now. Learn everything. Okay, even if you want more than 5 minutes, I'll give you that. No problem. But after these 5 6 minutes, we are going to continue with the questions. Okay, after these 5 6 minutes, we are going to continue with the questions. And when we will be having those questions, at that point, I really don't want that there is anybody who don't understand what is comparison, who don't understand what is linear, who don't understand what is non-linear, and who don't understand what is internal and external. Right now the time is 10:54. Okay, take these 6 to 8 minutes in fact, but everything you have already written on your notes. Okay, so now I want you people to start learning all that stuff. You have to learn it properly in order to go further. Okay, is everybody clear with this? Guys, I want an answer from your
Yes,
side.
sir.
Okay,
Clear, sir.
so by 11:05 we will meet again. 10:55 it is. By 11:05 we will meet again. Till then, all of you should be very, very comfortable with all these terms, and you should remember that in regular what was that, in CFL what was that, in CSL what was that. You should remember this. Okay, DCFL, CSL, everything. Fine. Start remembering. Start learning it. I'll see you directly at 11:05. Directly at 11:05. 10 minutes for you people. But make sure to study hard within these 10 minutes. Otherwise, you will face a lot of difficulties while we will be doing questions. Next 50 minutes will be useful for only those students who will be working hard in these 10 minutes. Yes. So everybody have learned?
Yes, sir. Try to remember the points.
Yes, sir.
I want this yes sir from everyone, because now there will be, for rest of the 40-50 minutes, there will be a rapid fire round of questions. Everybody is ready for that?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Please check the inbox. What inbox, Ahmed? What happened? Sir, I didn't get CFL separator element. Don't worry about it. If you didn't get CFL separator element, don't worry about it. With the questions, you will learn everything. So fine. Now what we are going to discuss, we are going to do some questions. Okay. For each of that question, there will be only four options. Number A, regular. B, DCFL. C, CFL. And D will be CSL. Okay. As if now, whatever the questions we will discuss, CFL will not be the option. So you have to choose any three of them: regular, DCFL, or CSL. Okay, because I did not say anything about the separator until now, so that's why CFL will not be the option for any of the language whatever I will discuss. Option will be DCFL, regular, either DCFL or CSL. Remember this thing. Okay, one more thing I'm making you understood, that the ink of pen and the ink of tick mark, or let's begin with this, eventually you will learn it. Fine, let's start with the first language. The language is A star B star. What it is? Tell me, regular, DCFL, or CSL?
Regular.
Regular.
Everybody is sure for this? It should be a regular language? Obviously, yes, because the point is that there is no comparison at all. Okay. Now, I'm using black ink. Why? Remember that when you will read this slide after some time, so you will be confused that which question was ticked to be regular, which question was ticked to be DCFL or CSL. So, in order to avoid that confusion, we will use the color coding. Okay, so further, whenever you study these slides, how you have to identify, you have to identify with the color code the color of question and the color of tick mark. What I'm writing here, that should be written in the same ink. That will be written in the same ink. Okay, so like that you can remember it. So remember this color coding. Tell me what type of language it is.
Regular.
In fact,
Also regular.
wait. There is one more thing which I have to write here. N comma M is greater than equals to 0. Yes. Now find it out. What type of language it is?
DCFL.
Check it carefully and then answer. See, I have written N comma M. It doesn't mean that it cannot be regular. It's just like I forgot to write N comma M. That's the only reason why I have written it.
Still regular, sir.
Still, it is regular. So who says regular? Say your name.
Daud.
Daud. Who else? Don't mind with the spelling Daud, okay? Anybody else? So who says DCFL? Who thinks it is DCFL?
Me, sir. Ashish.
Ashish. Okay. So Ashish is thinking it is DCFL. Anyone else?
DCFL, sir.
DCFL. Okay. Your name?
Third rows.
Okay. Anybody else? Fine. So Ashish, tell me the reason why you think it is DCFL.
Sir, A and B can be of any number, so they have one non-terminal. That's it.
अरे ये क्या रीजन हुआ? They have one non-terminal. तुमने ये पढ़ा नहीं है क्या? यहाँ जो हमने रेगुलर और इसका डेफिनेशन दिया है, ये तुमने पढ़ा नहीं है? इसमें कहीं लिखा है नॉन टर्मिनल या टर्मिनल के बारे में?
No, sir.
फिर ये क्या बेवकूफी की बात है? 10 मिनट इसके लिए थोड़ी दिए थे। यहाँ पर मैंने एग्जाम्पल दिखाया था कि नहीं दिखाया था कंपैरिजन का?
Yes, sir. दिखाया था सर.
ये समझ में आया था तुमको?
Yes, sir.
फिर तो नॉन टर्मिनल टर्मिनल की बात क्यों करने लगे? तो मुझे समझाओ बेटा, नॉन टर्मिनल का क्यों बोला तुमने? यहाँ पे नॉन टर्मिनल्स कहाँ है? सारे टर्मिनल्स ही तो हैं। और स्ट्रिंग में टर्मिनल नहीं होंगे तो और क्या होगा?
हाँ सर, वो कंफ्यूज हो गया था थोड़ा.
This is Daud is correct. It is regular. Why it is regular? The people who are thinking DCFL try to understand one thing: a power n, b power m, and here I have written m comma n is greater than equals to 0, and just before this we have written a star b star. So if you check carefully, a power n and n is greater than equals to 0. So what else you are saying here? Are you saying something else? No, the same thing. Number of a can be greater than equals to 0 by a star. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Here also you are saying that number of a can be greater than equals to 0. Yes or no? Here also you are saying number of b can be greater than equals to 0. And here also number of b is greater than equals to 0. Yes or no? So the point is, since two independent variables are there, they are not related to each other. That is the reason why it is regular only. There is no comparison at all. You just read this and find out. Number of a is dependent on number of b. Yes or no?
No, sir.
Here also same thing is there. Number of a is not dependent on number of b. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So no comparison. No comparison does mean regular. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine. If there's anyone who is having any kind of doubt in this, please ask me. Is there anyone who is having any doubt in this? Please ask me. Fine. Moving on to the third one. Focus carefully now onwards. Okay. We have got a power n, b power n, where n is greater than equals to 0. Find out. Regular, DCFL or CSL? Which one? There is no language which is CFL until now. Neither it will be until I don't explain separator. You just have to identify from these three: regular, DCFL or CSL.
DCFL.
DCFL, sir.
DCFL. Okay. Who says DCFL? Tell me your names.
Ashish.
Suman.
Ashish. Good. Or
Suman.
Suman. Or anyone else?
Third rows.
Okay. Anybody else who says, sir, it is not DCFL, something else? Some people are not giving answers. Many people are not giving answers. Guys, let me tell you, you have to participate in this because they will be the direct question in your exams. So if you will not participate in this, then it will be really difficult for you to attempt those questions. Okay. So yes, you are right. It is DCFL. because it is clearly seen that there is one comparison, number of A's compared with number of B. That's why it is DCFL. It can be clearly seen. Okay. Now, next one, fourth. Please remember the color coding, right? Remember the color coding. A power N, B power M, and here I'm writing N is less than M, and N comma M is greater than or equals to 0. Tell me what type of language it is.
So DCFS.
DCFL. Somebody said DCFL.
CSL, sir.
Okay. So DC, who thinks it is DCFL?
Ashish sir.
Ashish. Very good. Who says it is CSL?
Suman, sir.
Suman. Anybody else who want to register his answer? Anybody else who want to register his answer? Fine. Suman, I want to hear it from you. Why you think is it CSL? Tell me the reason.
Sir, because in CSL we have two conditions. First, we have to have a linear comparison of a single variable. So, okay,
नहीं,
sir. So
आपने ठीक से पढ़ा ही नहीं.
it is not possible. Okay.
The CSL says it should be more than one comparison,
Yes, sir. More than
not
one.
one comparison.
Yes, sir. More than
Over
one.
a single variable, if it is one comparison, then it is not CSL. It is DCFL. So Ashish is pretty much right. Very good, Ashish.
Okay, sir.
Ashish is correct. It is DCFL, right? Because as you can see that there is no internal comparison, but there is one there is one external comparison. External comparison is there. Okay, fine. Now, everybody, please pay attention. We are moving to the next question. Question number 5. L is equals to A power N, B power N, C power N, where N is greater than or equals to 0. Get the answer.
CSL sir.
CSL, sir.
It's quite evidently visible. This color coding was
Regular, sir.
regular. Okay. So who is saying regular?
Gannatu.
Jannatu. Okay. So tell me the reason, Jannatu, why you think it is regular?
Because there is no comparison between this
So
N.
number of A and number of B are not compared.
Oh, sir, sorry.
Number
So
of
it
A
is-
and number of B are compared or not?
Yeah, sorry, sir. It is DCFL.
So is there only one comparison? Like number of A's compared with only with number of B. There is no comparison number of A and number of C. Yes or no? Is it like this? Jannatu?
Oh, that means it is CSL.
Of course, it is CSL. Again, Ashish and Suman was correct. It is CSL because number of A's compared twice with number of B and first time, and then second time it is compared with number of C. That's how it is. Is everyone clear for this?
So BC will also be compared, right?
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
Number of A's compared with B and C, and of course B and all three variables are compared with multiple variables. Like obviously if A is compared with B, then B is also compared with A. Got it? So the answer is CSL. Everybody is clear for this?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
If anybody is having any kind of doubt, you are free to ask me at any point of time. Fine. Let's move to the next question. I'm repeating so many number of times. Please remember the color coding scheme, right? Don't forget the color coding scheme. Otherwise, you will be confused. A power n, B power n, C power m, where n comma m is greater than equals to 0. Tell me which type of language it is.
DCFL.
DCFL. Some people are saying DCFL. Who is saying DCFL?
Ashish.
Ashish. Very good. Who else?
Sir, DCFL. Suman.
Suman also saying. Anybody else? All the answers are given by only these two students. Some more students have participated in between, like Janetu has participated. Uh, Probably few more students might have participated, but everybody is not participating. I request everyone to participate in this. Otherwise, it will be very difficult for you to go for the questions, actual questions in the exam. So the reason behind DCFL is because again there is only one comparison. Number of A's compared with number of B. C is free to come. How many number of C wants to come? They can come. It is totally irrelevant of number of A and number of B, right? So everybody please remember that it is DCFL. Okay. Now I'm taking one more example. Lot of examples we are going to discuss. As I told you that after learning those things, it will be a rapid fire round of questions. A power n, B power n, C power n, where n is less than equals to 1000. Get the answer.
CSL.
Good. Who says CSL?
Ashish.
Ashish.
Sir, Suman as well, CSL.
CSL, sir.
CSL. Ashish, Suman. Who is third? Who said CSL?
Jannatu.
Jannatu. Everybody please, all these people who have given the answer CSL, फिर से एक बार चेक कर लीजिए इसको. All the students who have given the answer CSL, please check it once again. Are you sure it is CSL?
Sir, DCFL.
Okay. There's one more answer, DCFL. Yes, Daud. Daud is saying DCFL. Okay. Daud, tell me the reason why it is DCFL.
Because it's only one comparison, sir.
How?
All of A,
Number
B,
of
C
A,
are
number of A are
compared.
compared with number of B. Yes
Yeah.
or no?
But then the number of the N is equal for all.
So that's why there is a comparison, no?
Yeah.
So number of A is compared with number of C also. Yes or no?
Yes, right.
So how one comparison?
Sir, but compared over a single variable and only.
Arey, so so that's what the point. That over a single variable, you have multiple comparisons. Yes or no? Over a single variable, there are multiple comparisons. Tell me yes or no. Guys, get me answer yes or no. If you are not clear, then ask your doubt. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir, audible.
Sir, audible.
Neither I'm getting answer for yes or no, nor you are telling me the doubt.
Sir, I'll stick with CSL.
You will stick with CSL. Ashish will stick with CSL. Okay. Now I want all the students who have tried this question that turn the pages of your answer of your notebook and just read the definition of regular. Read the definition of regular.
So it is regular.
Yes, sir. It is regular, sir. It is finite.
That's what the point. Once a language goes finite, no discussion
Yes, sir.
over that language. Does not matter whether it is linear comparison, non-linear comparison, multiple comparisons, n number of comparisons can be there. But if a language is regular, if a language is finite, right away it becomes regular. Everybody's clear for this?
Yes, sir.
Now, if there is anyone in the class who is still not able to understand this, who is having doubt about it, please ask me. Fine. Let's move to one more example. Eight. A power n, B power n, C power m, D power m, where m comma n is greater than equals to 0.
CSL.
Check it out carefully and then give the answer. Fastest answer is not so important, but answer should be correct as much as possible. वो आपका, if you have not given correct answer, that's not the problem. But before giving an answer, make sure that you have seen the every aspect of the question. Again, I advise everyone,
Regular.
before giving your answer, make sure that you have collected every aspect. You have seen the question from every aspect.
DCFR.
Who's the DCFL? Who's the
DCFL,
DCFL?
sir. Me.
How will I identify me? Say your name.
Matheus.
Anybody else?
Sir, CSL Assis.
Sir, Suman CSL.
Anybody else?
CSL, sir.
CSL.
Matthews. Tell me the reason why you think it is DCFL.
Because if we see from the given, A and the B are only comparing one, and A is not compared with another thing except B. And the C and the D are also the same like that.
Very good. Fantastic. All the students who have answered CSL, understand one thing. What has been written? DCFL. Linear comparison over a single variable. Now try to understand it. Number of A is compared with number of B. That is one comparison what I can see for A and B. Now show me where number of A is compared with anyone else. Can anybody show me?
No, sir.
So over number of A, how many comparisons?
Only one.
Over number of B, how many comparisons?
Only one.
Number of C, I can clearly see that it is compared with number of D. Now over number of C, is there any other comparison?
No.
So it is compared how many times? Only one time. So over a single variable, there is only one comparison. Yes or no? Guys, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So the clear answer is DCFL. Got it? Fine. Matthews was correct. Very nice. You guys woke up so late na that we don't have time now. Better luck for the next semester. ये सेमेस्टर में तुम लोग इतना लेट जागे हो ना कि अब समय नहीं बचा है. Question number 9. A power n square, where n is greater than or equals to 0. Get the answer.
Regular, sir.
Regular, sir.
Why regular?
Sir, because there is no comparison.
You think that there is no comparison. Tell me one thing. If there is no comparison, that means a power n and a power n square are same.
No.
What is
But-
the difference between these two?
So one is linear, another is non-linear.
Plus, a major difference is here any number of a is allowed. But in this case, number of a,
Even.
not how even? Number of a should be a perfect square.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You cannot have such number of a's which is not a perfect square. So here 0, 1, 2, 3, any number of a is allowed. But here 0 is not allowed, 1 is not allowed, 2 is not allowed, only 4 is allowed. 5 is not allowed. 6 is not allowed, 7 not allowed, 8 not allowed, only 9 is allowed. 16, 25, 36, only these number of a's are allowed. So number of a has to
Sir.
be in perfect square. So wait, every time whatever the number of a's are there, you have to compare them in any one of these quantity, and that to infinite, because perfect squares goes to infinite. So that's why there is a comparison, and that comparison is not even a linear comparison, rather it is a non-linear comparison. Therefore the language goes to CSL. Now if you want to ask questions about it, you can ask.
Sir, it will contain one also, right? 1A also.
It will contain 1a. Yes, it will contain 1a. 1 is a perfect square number. Is everyone clear for this?
Yes, sir.
If there is any doubt, you can ask me.
So, sir, that means it is DCFL.
Why DCFL? There is non-linear comparison, no?
Okay, sir.
There is no linear comparison. There is non-linear comparison.
Sir, why that right hand side number should be perfect square?
That's because you are giving the definition of that language. You see what you are saying? That it should be n square. N square does mean what? The number should be a square.
So that means the final answer will be square, not the value of a must be square, right?
Then the final answer is what? Number of a only.
Okay, number of a should be square. Oh, sorry,
Exactly. Number of a should be in perfect square. That's why. Is everyone clear for this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So shall we go further?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
It's 11:34.
We can
Is
go,
there
sir.
anyone?
10 minutes.
10 minutes. 11:40 तक है ना lecture?
So 2-3 examples more.
11:35 तक है.
सर 11:55 के बाद दूसरा लेक्चर है सर.
नहीं, everybody is not comfortable. If everybody is comfortable, then we can take it. Or let's avoid doing this. I know because 3 o'clock का भी class है, so people will be exhausted also. Everybody will exhaust, and let's avoid doing this. Okay, do one thing. Just put your attendance into the chat. Don't worry, we'll continue with the questions. Everybody, please remember by 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock lecture. Do one thing. The 3 o'clock lecture which I have announced. Okay. I will put the confirmation message on the group, on the Telegram group. Is everyone comfortable with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I will put the confirmation message on the Telegram group. In case if there is no message on the Telegram group, then by default you consider that lecture is not going, because we have got this extra lecture, no? Sunil sir's lecture. So but please make sure to check that group, because don't think of it like that there is no lecture. If there will be no message, then there will be no lecture. In else case, I will inform on the Telegram group. We will take a class on the Telegram group. Oh, sorry. I will share the link on the Telegram group, and everybody is supposed to take that 3 o'clock class. Everyone is comfortable with this announcement?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Fine.
sir.
If your attendance is over, now you can leave the class. Shall I close the class? All people have done with their attendance?
Sir, how do we know if A and B are dependent or independent?
Just by looking at the variables. If they have same variables, or if there is any relation in those variables, then they are dependent. If there is no relation, then they are independent.
What do you mean by there is relation or there is relation?
Your voice is not clear. Say it once again.
What do you mean by if there is a relation or there is no relation between the variable?
This whole lecture I was explaining this meaning itself. I don't know why you have not asked me questions at that time.
I did, sir. I did last lecture. I wrote it in the chat book and then I told you as the internet cuts off, then you told me you can ask in the next lecture.
And you have not asked me in the next lecture. Since then I'm waiting.
Yeah,
If you will see
I
the
can't
recording of
cut
this
you from
class,
explaining.
in the very first 5 minutes, I clearly said that where is Raneem? She was asking some question in the last lecture. I'm waiting for her. I have informed to some of
Sir,
the
do you
students
know
also that ask her to join.
the internet of the university at 12, it's always like this. From 10 to 12. It cuts.
Check it out. You see, can you see
Okay.
this screen now?
Yeah.
Okay. Now check it out. You see N and N. See this yellow color question. First yellow, third number question. Can you see this?
Okay.
Both the variables are same.
Yeah.
So that's how you are comparing them. Number of A and number of B has to be same. Okay.
Okay.
Now check the question number 4. There are two different variables. Yes or no?
It's because one of them is power to n and the other one is power to m.
Yes.
Yeah.
So this N is different and M is different. But after this
Okay.
here, you are establishing the relation between N and M.
Yeah.
by saying that n has to be less than m.
Yeah.
So again,
If
number of
n
a and
has.
number of b are compared.
Okay.
Now check the
Okay,
question
fine,
number
sir.
2.
Number
N and
2,
m are
they are
different variables. Black color.
they
Black
are
color question.
yeah, they are
These are
independent,
two
right?
different variables. Yeah, they
Mm-hmm.
are independent because these are different variables. Plus, there is no relation between n and m themselves is established.
Okay, so how does the relation between n and m be established?
By giving this statement or any
Okay,
such
okay.
statement
Yeah,
where
yeah,
n
fine.
is depending on m or m is depending on n.
Okay. So at the question 5, they are all dependent.
Exactly.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Are you
Yeah.
clear for this now?
Yeah, for this, now I'm clear. Thank you.
Any more doubts?
No. Okay, it's the first question. It's like A asterisk and B asterisk. I don't know the relation between those, or is it dependent because both of them are having the same power?
That means you have not taken the classes for regular expression.
I did, but it was like long time ago.
So it does so long. If it is long time ago, that means what? By the final
I have
exams,
to
you will
revise
not be
it. Yeah,
writing
I
the
have to
questions
revise.
related to regular expression.
Yeah, sure. Okay, I will revise it all.
Revise it. Okay. Revise all
Okay.
the classes of regular expression. See all the recordings. Then, if you have any problem, then you can ask me within the lecture. Apart from this, 25th onwards, I will be physically present in the institute. Okay, since I told
Yeah,
everyone that my grandmother is expired by the past Sunday. Uh,
I'm sorry for you, sir.
on the that's okay, on the 12th, so that's why I'm not able to attend the college physically. I'm
Okay.
taking the classes online, but from 25th onwards I will be there in the institute, and by that time you can ask me all the questions by coming into the boardroom.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
All right.